In the previous video, we have created the date function, which can get us the current date, month and year. So let me just try to show the output one more time.
The current date is 30/7/2020.
So as you can see, it successfully is able to get the current date. Now in this video, we will try to get the greet me function that will greet us whenever we start the AI assistant. And we'll create another function. We will name it as wish me. After that, we will call the speak function, and in the speak function, we will pass a string that will be welcome back sir. After that, we want our AI assistant to tell us the current date and time. So for that, we will use the function call for date and time function that we have already created. At the end of this program, what I will do is I will call this, or I should call another speak function here, and we will pass a string inside the function that will be Friday at your service. How can I help you? So our AI assistant will ask us this thing, and at the end of this program I will call the wish me function and try to run it.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 12:59 and 36 seconds. The current date is 26/7/2020. Friday at your service. How I can help you?
We have successfully created the wish me function, and in the next video we will add more features to it to make it more interactive.